Hey, what's up? Thanks for hanging with me through these past few days with the emails, learning a little bit more about imposter syndrome, how it might be showing up in your life. If this content that you've seen so far has provided some value to you, I'm so psyched that it has been helping you. And I want to let you know that I put together an online course. It is totally at your own pace, where I step you through some workbook modules where you actually quantify the amount of time imposter syndrome is stealing from you, how it's showing up, how it's, robbing you of your joy, your potential, and how it's cheating those that you're, in relationship with and you're here to serve. And then figuring out ways it's showing up in your life. We talked about, it might be showing up in ways that you're not even, recognizing, like things having to be perfect or only one to work on your own. So we really dig into that. And again, there's video tutorials where I explain how everything works. And then, you know, talked about a lot about the archive of awesome. We do some more work with that. And one of the packages that I'm super excited about is you not only get all the material where you learn about how imposter syndrome is showing up in your life and quantifying what it's actually doing and what it's limiting you from, you get to start rewriting your story. And one of the options that you'll see there is an actual photo shoot with me at my studio in beautiful coastal Delaware. And I can't think of anything more awesome to really boost your self-esteem, and maybe on those days where you're waking up and you're not feeling, like you have the confidence that you usually do, is looking at like a badass picture of yourself. So that is something I'm super excited about. And again, I want to congratulate you for learning this and taking the chance on yourself to learn all these things about imposter syndrome. And I hope to see you in the workshop, and I would love to see you in person. God bless, and I really am rooting for you, and I hope this has served you well. Take care. Hope to see you soon.